Have you ever wondered if your financial data in YNAB is safe and secure? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular budgeting app that has gained significant traction in recent years. It's a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. But with the increasing concern over data privacy, it's natural to question the security measures in place for your sensitive financial information. So, is YNAB encrypted? Yes. It's a bit more complex. While YNAB does employ encryption to protect your data, it's essential to understand the specifics of their security measures. Here's a breakdown of how YNAB safeguards your financial information. Data encryption. Transit encryption. When your data is being transmitted between your device and YNAB servers, it's encrypted to prevent interception. This ensures that your information remains confidential while it's traveling over the internet. At-rest encryption. Once your data reaches YNAB servers, it's further encrypted to protect it from unauthorized access. This means that even if someone were to gain access to YNAB servers, they wouldn't be able to easily decipher your financial information. Secure data centers. YNAB utilizes highly secure data centers to store your data. These data centers are equipped with advanced security measures, including physical security, access controls, and network security. Regular security audits. YNAB regularly conducts security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. This proactive approach helps ensure that their systems remain secure and up to date with the latest security best practices. Robust password protection. YNAB strongly encourages the use of strong, unique passwords to protect your account. This is a crucial step in safeguarding your financial data. However, it's important to note that no system is entirely foolproof. While YNAB takes significant measures to protect your data, it's always wise to practice good security habits, such as using a strong, unique password for your YNAB account, enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, if available, being cautious about phishing attempts and other social engineering attacks, keeping your device and YNAB app up to date with the latest security patches. While YNAB offers robust security measures to protect your financial data, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and take proactive steps to safeguard your information. By understanding how YNAB encrypts your data and following best security practices, you can have peace of mind knowing that your financial information is in good hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.